To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the section called Interactions. Then go to Activity Status. You will then see the Choose Who Can See When You Are Active option. If it is set to public, it means your active status is visible to everyone. If you select Friends, only your friends will be able to see when you are active. And if you select No One, your active status will not be visible to anyone. You can choose the option that best suits your preference. So that's how you can choose who can see when you are active on TikTok.